If your Bradford White water heater status light is blinking twice every 3 seconds, this indicates a specific diagnostic code that you need to understand. This two blink pattern means the pilot light is lit, but the gas valve isn't detecting sufficient millivolts from the thermopile. The system isn't getting the electrical signal it needs to properly engage the gas valve. Here's how the system works. The pilot light heats the thermopile, which generates millivolts of electricity. This electrical signal tells the gas valve to open and allow gas flow for heating. When the thermopile generates insufficient millivolts, the gas valve doesn't receive a strong enough signal to operate properly. This creates the two-blink error pattern you're seeing. This is a common issue with Bradford White water heaters. And fortunately, it can often be resolved with some simple troubleshooting steps that we'll cover in the next section. Now we'll walk through the step-by-step troubleshooting process to fix the two-blink error on your Bradford White water heater. Step 1 is critical for safety. Turn off both the gas control knob and the gas supply valve before beginning any work. This prevents gas leaks and ensures your safety during troubleshooting. Step 2 involves checking and cleaning the electrical connections. Remove the black connector on the gas control valve, then reinsert it firmly. This removes corrosion and ensures good electrical contact. Do the same for both electrical connectors. Step 3 is to relight the pilot light. Follow the specific instructions printed on your water heater's label. Each model may have slightly different procedures, so always refer to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 4 focuses on the thermocouple, which is the most common cause of the two-blink error. Ensure the thermocouple is fully engaged in the pilot assembly bracket. The pilot flame must completely envelop the thermocouple bulb for proper operation. Step 5 involves checking your gas supply. Verify that you have sufficient gas supply and proper line pressure. Low gas pressure can prevent the system from operating correctly, even if all other components are functioning. Important safety reminder: if you smell gas at any point during this process, stop immediately and contact your gas supplier. Do not continue troubleshooting if you detect any gas odor.